Okay guys, welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to close partial positions on MetaTrader 4 or partial profit. So what you're gonna do, this is the app. You're just gonna click and hold whatever position you wanna close partial positions. Then gonna click close order. You can either hold, click close, or you can just slide to the side, and then you're gonna click into this tick right here. They are both gonna bring you to this tab. So all you wanna do is select the lot size that you wanna close. So I currently have 3 lots open for this order, so I wanna close one lot. So I'm just gonna select one lot. As you might have noticed, the profit here changes in the bottom. Like when it was 3, it says $194, which is the total profit, and then when I click 1, it's just 1/3 of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and close. Yeah, it's closed, and as you can see, I'm left with 2 lots running. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please like this video if it was helpful to you. Bye.